Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to recreate this marble dinnerware set that I saw at Z-Gallerie for a set of 4. Regular $79.80, and even at half price it's still kind of expensive, $38.97. So I'm going to recreate this for a cheaper price. And so I got my clear plate from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to recreate this marble look. So this is the Look for Less challenge that's being hosted by the Latino next door, and her host is the Blondie next door. I'll have these ladies' channels and a link to the playlist in my description box. Go over and show them some love. They have beautiful decor, and they are a budget friendly channel as well. So this is my new channel, Creating with Mrs Vee, where I show you how to do projects yourself to save money, and I'll be doing some craft projects also on this channel. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So I already had this clear plate, and I had this marble not marble, but gold paint, and I decided to recreate this. I got the idea from a young lady, Denise. Be My Guest with Denise. I'll link her channel in the description box as well, because that's where I got the idea from. And you just use your finger to smear the paint, you know, whatever design you would like. So that's what I'm doing here. This was actually relaxing, and I actually enjoyed it. So I did 2 dinner size plates and 2 saucers. So my price is like $4 to $5. Great, huh? That's better than $38.97. So that's what I'm doing in this video. I want to go ahead and thank the Yummy of the Latino next door and Jelena of the Blondie next door for hosting this challenge. It's always fun. I love this Look for Less challenge every month, because I'm always looking for ways to save money. So my motto on this channel is inspiring you to do it yourself, to be creative in doing things yourself. So I'm gonna continue to work and just let you listen to the music, and I'll show you the final result at the end.